Life as a servant in the early 1800s. Imagine waking up before the sun, not in your own home, but in someone else's. It's 4 a.m., and your day as a servant has already begun. You fetch water, light every fireplace, and scrub the floors before the family even opens their eyes. You move quickly and quietly, because in this house, servants are never meant to be seen or heard. Upstairs, silver spoons clink and candles glow. Downstairs, you eat in the kitchen, cold bread and weak tea, before getting back to work. You clean, wash, polish, and serve for 16 hours straight. When the house finally sleeps, you climb up the narrow servant stairs to your small attic room. No fireplace, no privacy, just a thin blanket and the ache of another long day. Life as a servant in the 1800s wasn't about comfort, it was about survival. And though history remembers the masters and the mansions, it was the servants who kept those worlds alive.